Welcome back to Bray and Heather's cooking channel. Well, today we're going to be baking some crab legs. We're going to have to preheat the oven.
350.
At 350. And
then we're going to go ahead and put all of the crab
seasoning and stuff in there
together.
And then we're going to bake it at 30 minutes after we put tin foil over the top.
Yeah, so go ahead and preheat the oven. There you go. Hit bake. Hit start. It's already at 350.
Oh, okay.
So now it's preheating, okay?
And so now we're getting the crab legs. We should make a video. Last night we was cooking fish.
What'd you cook though?
Cooked salmon.
Oh. What'd you put on it?
We put Old Bay seasoning and some Slappy Mama on it, and it was really good.
Ooh. Good?
Yep. Alright guys, there's the crabs, and then let's get the seasoning. So first we're going to start off with some of this shrimp and crab bowl.
We've never baked it before, so we got the idea off of Valerie, so I'll have to tag her here, and we may not be using the exact ingredients.
How much I pouring? Okay. And then we're going to go in with some of this signature seafood seasoning, Red Lobster. Get that really good season.
Can I say? Good Lord.
Then we're going to go ahead and pour some pure lemon extract. You could just use half a lemon, but
Don't pour the whole thing. You only want it for more of the flavor. Okay.
and then we're going to go in with some salt. Pepper. And then the best, and not least,
Oh, butter. I'll get butter.
yeah,
Go ahead and do that.
some Old Bay. This is like the best thing ever in the whole world. Like, you can literally put it on anything you ever wanted, and like you'll make everything taste good. It's gonna give it that good crab bowl season. And then
Honestly, I would do like,
we're gonna have to do like a whole
6.
stick of butter in here.
Do several scoops.
No.
Do like 1 or 2 more.
There you go.
Okay. This is what we got. So now what are we going to do? What are we going to cover it?
Cover it, yeah.
Yep. Socks went out in bad water. So we're going to cover it. I'm going to let you cover it. You know how?
I got it. And then we're going to taste it after it gets cooked.
So apparently covering it allows you it
More
to be more
juicier.
juicier.
So we're going to see about that. And this is the first time baking it. We usually boil, but Mom thought it would be a good idea to bake it. So we want to see how it was. I didn't want to see it.
So we put it on 350 and we're going to bake for 30 minutes.
Sadly.
Well, with it being covered, it's got to cook a little bit longer. Okay. It's covered. So now we're waiting for the oven to preheat. I said we missed one ingredient. What is it, bro?
Mixed garlic.
Yep. Where is that? Put some right there. I'm sorry, some right there. Okay. Okay, throw that in the sink. This is what we used. Minced garlic. So now we're gonna recover and bake.
Now we're putting it in the top and bottom.
Top. Be careful, don't touch it. Okay.
Supposed to do that? Yep, it's good.
Now for 30 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now we're taking out the oven.
Smells good.
Oh, really good.
Good? So yummy. And it smells so good.
Now we're gonna try it.
Break me off a piece too.
Dip it in.
No, I need more than that.
I'll try. I'll try. I guess I'll just also. Good.
So good. Hang on, that's spicy. So spicy. But it's so good.
Oh, yeah. No, and I'm going to
So good.
everything. Thank you, delicious. So good.
Well, we hope y'all
I'm gonna
enjoyed it. I'll hang around and look.
on Braden and Heather's Cookie Channel.